Today we are diving into this most easy, fastest chocolate in a mug, fast vegan recipe and reviewing the Vego chocolate, also vegan. Oh mamma mia! This is going to be the best treat. I tell you already, spoiler alert, this is a classic in our dinner parties. We always do that and it really just is the best. So let's dive into the simplest melting. Before we dive into the recipe, can we talk about pickup lines and how amazing the channel is? I mean, like, it's visually stunning. The recipes are easy to follow, really, really good. Everything so far I've tried was really nice. And her voice, very soothing. Really recommend for everyone, especially if you're vegan. You have to see it. So let's check out her stunning chocolate in the mug muffin recipe. So here's the drill. Mix all the dry ingredients together. So 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of cacao powder, 2 tablespoons of white flour, bombastic, 1/4 of teaspoon of baking powder. Yeah, that should be fine. We need definitely salt, a pinch as well. Cinnamon or vanilla, whatever floats your boat. Open it first. Then vanilla or cinnamon, whatever is the season in your flavor palette. What did I miss? It's so easy, I should have it in my mind. 3 tablespoons of plant-based milk. Whoa. You know you've done everything right when the kitchen is a mess afterwards. Should be passionate, but cleaning afterwards. Oil, 1 tablespoon of oil or 2? 1, luckily 1. Okay, so the trick here is to not mix everything too perfect. Should have a nice chunky consistency, but also not too less, okay? Oh, it already smells so good. The smell of cacao powder. Ooh, already the happy receptors in my brain are starting to work before eating it. This is perfect. Comes the deadly super ingredient. Now, I kid you not, this is the best vegan chocolate out there. Whoever says anything else. The cool thing is that it has here also hazelnut, so it makes it surprisingly crunchy. And now we're placing it kind of in the middle and we're covering it up. We don't want to waste anything here. I'm eating it, so I can do it. Tastes like a chocolate dream. Now pop these at 2 minutes, 800 watts into the microwave and done. Oh, if you put 2 at the same time, increase the time, 2 minutes, 20 seconds. Careful while taking it out. It's quite hot. Ideally, you place it in another bowl. Oh, my husband doesn't know how lucky he is. He's getting a muffin. So, here's why this recipe is a total hit for us, especially at dinner parties. 1, you only need 2 ingredients and little time, especially when you are a Polish-Indian household and you do dinner parties, you really show off. I'm so unclassy when I'm eating it. Second, who doesn't love melted chocolate? It's so indulgent. And really, if you're having vegan guests, this is going to be like blue mining. For vegans, really take the vegan chocolate. And the other thing is, when we have dinner parties, we prepare a lot in advance in one bowl. And then when it comes to the dessert time, we pick up the bowls, fill it quickly in, pop it into the microwave. And it's always such a, what? Where did that came from? Surprise for our guests. I wish I would have made pictures of all the times we served it, because we served it with so many different decorations, with ice cream, with yogurt and berries. I mean, so many different toppings you can make if you want to do even something extra on top of it. But to be honest, we get too much involved into laughters, cocktails, chit chat, Cards Against Humanity. There's no time really for content creation. And if you have kids as guests, oh my god, they love it. You buy all these random decoration stuff like eatable glitter, some stars or whatever, colors, and they are allowed to decorate the cake, and they are super entertained. They absolutely love it. It's always a hit. Now let's talk about this Vego chocolate, because we are making a review. So ingredient wise, what do we have? Hazelnuts, sugar, cacao, hazelnut paste, whatever that is, it works, it's magic. I mean, I really, really love this chocolate, especially on a lazy Netflix night. And if I'm craving something sweet, you just pop in frozen strawberries, for instance, into a bowl, then the chocolate into a microwave. So good. It's like a fondue in seconds. So here it is, the chocolate and a mug muffin recipe made in a microwave in a few minutes with the best vegan chocolate. If it's not the best, then send me and I try a new one. So let me know in the comment section if you do the recipe and how you prepared it in advance or quickly just for yourself with what toppings. And if you like the video and you want more reviews and tests which are coming from heart and real, then click subscribe, and I see you in some other videos would fill my heart with lots of joy. And have a wonderful day, evening, night. Bye bye. Okay, I'm going to the gym now.